Good morning, students. I hope you are quite well. Let's students start with the same topic, light. And today we will study about the spherical mirrors. There are two types of spherical mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. Why these mirrors are known as spherical mirrors? These concave mirror and convex mirrors, they are known as spherical mirrors because they are the part of a sphere. Sphere से काटे होते हैं, so that is why they are known as spherical mirrors. So there are two types of spherical mirrors. One is concave mirror and another is convex mirror. What is concave mirror? Concave mirror कौन सा mirror होता है? A curved mirror whose outer side is polished. ये ऐसी curve होती है जिसका outer surface इसकी polish होगी. This is known as concave mirror. And a curved mirror whose inner side is polished is known as convex mirror. जिसकी inner side polish होगी, that is known as convex mirror. And the spoon, जो आप spoon use करते हैं, this behaves like the concave mirror as well as the convex mirror. If you will see inside, अंदर से रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस, अंदर से अपना फेस देखोगे तो this becomes concave mirror. And if you will see from the outside, if the reflecting surface is outside, then bulging outside से देखोगे, so this is your convex mirror. So spoon तो सबके घरों में होता है. You have to take the spoon and find. You have to perform this activity yourself. You have to see your face firstly from the inner side of the spoon, and you have to observe what type of image you will form, and then you have to see your image from the outer surface of the spoon, which is bulging out. Then again you have to see the characteristics of the image formed then also. So let us study about the image formed by a concave mirror. So firstly you have to take the spoon and keep its inner surface towards your face and see what type of image you will form. You have to take a new steel spoon which is having the shiny surface in which you can see your image. ठीक है, कोई पुराना स्पून नहीं लेना जिसमें से आपको आपका इमेज दिखे. ठीक है, थोड़ा न्यू लेना है जिसमें की रिफ्लेक्शन हो सके. And while you will keep your face towards the spoon, inner surface of the spoon, तो आपको आपका इमेज को दिखेगा. You have to observe what type of image is observed here. तो आप देखोगे कि the image which is formed inside surface of the spoon is a real and inverted. आपको उल्टा इमेज दिखेगा. ठीक है, आपको आपका हेड जो है वो डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में दिखेगा, दैट इज इनवर्टेड. एंड रियल इमेज मींस दिस इमेज कैन बी टेकन ऑन द स्क्रीन. स्क्रीन पर भी कलेक्ट हो जाता है. तो रियल एंड इनवर्टेड इमेज होगा. एंड व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज वेरी क्लोज टू द मिरर, द इमेज फॉर्म्ड इज वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड मैग्नीफाइड. पहले स्पून को थोड़ा दूर रखिए, आपने इमेज देखिए, एंड देन ब्रिंग द स्पून क्लोज टू योर फेस. बिल्कुल अपने फेस के पास ले आइए. जैसे ही बिल्कुल पास आ जाता है फेस के, तो आप देखोगे कि आपको अपना इमेज जो है वो इरेक्ट, सीधा दिख रहा है. और वर्चुअल, वर्चुअल मीन्स इसके अंदर ही दिखेगा, स्क्रीन पर कलेक्ट नहीं होगा. और मैग्नीफाइड, बड़े साइज का, बिग साइज का इमेज दिखेगा. मीन्स the image formation in case of concave mirror depends on the distance between the object and the mirror. Object और mirror के distance के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. जब आप मिरर आपसे दूर है तो आप